This is day 2 of your new job. I just wanted to kind of zoom out. Can I zoom out? What's going on here? There we go. Maybe. There's Rory. Poppy's sleeping. But I just wanted to make these videos because that sounded way too professional. I just want to make these videos because I know your new drive is long and all that, and I just don't want you to miss a moment. So maybe we'll do a weekly recap. But I'm gonna go get the mail before you come home, and maybe I'll record a little bit of Rory playing and whatnot, so you don't miss anything, because I know you love to be home, and I know you love your kids. So that's my plan. I hope I go through with it. Okay, bye. Alright, here we are with this wagon. Rory, can you smile for mommy? Rory. We got Sissy sleeping. We got Gilly's pooped and peed. Gilly pooped and peed. You say hi, mommy?
Hi, mommy.
No.
I did.
Yeah. No, that's no touch.
A cupboard.
No touch. So here we are. Focus. There we go. You gotta love when it's 72 degrees in January, because then we can just play outside and not mess up the house. So we're just gonna hang out here. It's day 1. Day 2, sorry. I didn't record day 1. I just got this idea today. So, day 1. Day 2. It's day 2. And we can't wait for you to be home. I'm gonna try to record his reaction, so love you. Do not hit your sister. Dad, I didn't even have that idea until you told me. You want Daddy Flop Flop?
Yeah.
Daddy Flop Flop. What do you want me to do with my flop flop? You want Daddy Appa? Daddy Appa. Good job. And well, looks like I know what I'm doing this weekend, because all our new poles came in, so I will do that this weekend. On to the next project of the house. Rory, Are you in your red car? Rory, red car. And there's Guinness. Say hi, Guinea. Say hi, Guinea. Here's our garage. There's Rory. My pretty face. There it is. Is that it? Hi. Somebody's walking by and I'm vlogging. It's awkward. Anyway, this is it's Thursday, it's day 4. Oh, there he goes. You gotta be careful, dude. You gotta be careful. There's Sissy up there. Was our son traveling at a high rate of speed? Maybe. But here we are. There's our house. Look at our house. I love our house. But, okay, you getting out, dude? You getting out? You wave to the camera? Wave to mommy? Say hi, mommy. Say hi, mommy. You're camera shy. You're camera shy. Rory. You say hi? Hi, mommy. Papa Sissy's making noise. I keep looking at the screen that's over here, but I'm supposed to be looking right here. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, cat. Beep, beep, cat. Hey. We're gonna go get sandwiches with mommy in about 15 minutes. We're gonna leave, okay? Sound good? Can you push this up the driveway, please? Push, 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 push. Whoa, look at you. Okay, we're going on the grass. There's Sissy and Guinness. Can't zoom in too far. There he is. Can I help you?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi. You hear Sissy? Here's Sissy. Rory, come on. Sissy. He's on. Hi, Sissy. Hi, Sissy. Hi, Sissy. Oh, Rory's throwing a piece of grass. This kid is. Hey, Rory. Not in the street. What do we say about the street? No, no. No, no street. No. Hey. And here we go. So this was Thursday. This was Thursday, so I'm gonna try and do it on Friday. But Friday I have my thing, work party. So I'm still gonna try to do it before you get home. I don't know. You might be working from home. I don't know. So this might be the last one. If it is, I love you, and I'm gonna try to do these videos for you every week. Bye.